welcome to the mix, and on the mix is Dwayne tonight as he expresses himself, telling Erica, Ashanti, Maxine, and every one of his rivals that he loves them and it is coming from his heart. It's a very touching video. Why don't you go on over and watch it, and remember to like, subscribe, and share, and also comment. Thank you.
2, 1, 0. Don't call my name. Guys, I just want you guys to know the message is coming now. The message is coming now. I'm an avid talk where everyone's been chastising me about, and I know this, you guys have been waiting to hear these words leave my lips. So here goes. I just want all of you guys to know, all of you, haters and all, from Jamaica to America to all around the Caribbean, all of you, I just want you guys to know. And this is official. This is official, right? This is officially from Dwayne Fletcher's mouth. Not anyone's mouth, from my own lips, right? So, I just want you guys to know that I love all of you with all of my heart and soul. Haters included, I love all of you with all of my heart and soul. I pray to God all of you will find peace. The same way I have found peace with myself, I pray to God all of you will find peace as a collective. And now we can all strive on social media and be better and do better, uplift each other, embrace each other, encourage each other. God bless you all. I love you guys. I love you guys. Just know, moving forward, I'm not embracing any kind of confusion, none at all. So, anyone who feels that they want to bash me from Portland to New York to Florida, to wherever on the map you guys are in the world, please know, this is the only time. In fact, I'm gonna call out all of these names one by one. Ashanti, me love you. Matlock, me love you. Maxine, me love you too. Erica Landlord, me love you too. Who else? All of you, I love you guys with all of my heart and soul. And I pray to God, all of you will find peace within yourself. Thank God for allowing us every day to breathe, have a full 24 hours, right? I do have something to say. Open your ears. I told you some of you guys will hear me. Some of you guys will hear me. Some of you won't. However, I love all of you with all of my heart and soul, including Erica. I love you. And Erica, I promise you, I'm never going to bash you again. I'm never going to curse your mom again. I'm never going to curse no one in your surrounding again. Ashanti, I love you. I'm not cuss you again. I'm not cuss nobody for you again. Matlock, I'm not cuss you again. I love you too. Maxine, I'm never going to curse you again. And I love you too, Maxine. Okay, all of you who has done me wrong, and if I've done you wrong too, by cursing you or cursing any of your families, whatever the case may be, please accept my most sincerest apologies. But moving forward, I am done with all of you confusion. I am. I'm truly at peace now with myself. I'm at peace now with myself. And to all of you people who truly support me, thank you. I genuinely love you guys with all of my heart and soul. Like, without you guys coming and supporting me, I promise you guys my days will be truly like just saddened. I wouldn't use the word miserable, but when I come on my page and I see you guys supporting me, it really warms my heart. I'm telling you, it warms my heart. So I just want to say to all of you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Like, some days I come in here, like, my body feels the worst way. And the minute I come on, it's like all of that goes out the window and I'm just here having a laugh for you guys. But trust me guys, obviously when I come off, it does resurface. However, I'm going to say thank you to all of you. Without you guys supporting me, God bless you all guys. God bless all of you. All of you. All of you. You damn right that was the news. What else did you want me to say? I know a lot of you wanted me to come out and say, oh, he's finally going to say he's gay. That's never going to happen.
So that's it for today, blenders. Big up on a nice clean self, and enough respect once again to you all. Thank you for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel. Have a wonderful day.
I love all of you. Okay guys, I genuinely love you guys. I love you guys. Haters and all. I pray to God you guys will all find peace. Peace is such an amazing commodity. Peace in your heart, peace in your mind and soul is nothing under the face of the sun can outdo anything like what.
So that's it for today, blenders. Big up on a nice clean self, and enough respect once again to you all. Thank you for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel. Have a wonderful day. It for today, blenders. Big up on a